As we move back in time, watch how they change position. Millions of years ago, Australia was closer to the South Pole. Long before it was part of Asia, India was its own island. The Persian Gulf was wider. Africa was split in two parts, as was North America. Florida was completely covered by water. Long ago, South America and Africa were joined, fitting together like two pieces of a puzzle. 240 billion years ago, Earth looked very different. All the land was joined together in one supercontinent called Pangaea. And there was one super ocean named Panthalassa. Today, the plates are still on the move, bumping and sliding against one another. Movement at the plate boundaries results in most of the world's volcanic eruptions, including those underwater. Plate movement can also trigger earthquakes. Each dot in this view of Earth represents an earthquake that happened within the past 50 years. When an earthquake occurs underwater, it can generate a tsunami, a giant ocean wave. That's what happened in December 2004. An earthquake at the meeting point of the Australian, Indian, and Burmese plates uplifted a massive section of seafloor. It created tsunami waves that radiated outward, moving through deep water at the speed of a jet plane. By the time the waves reached shore, some were as tall as a 5-story building. 250,000 people lost their lives. The ocean's overwhelming power reverberated across the globe. The water in the ocean is constantly moving. Every drop of water is connected. Imagine dropping yellow rubber duckies at different points all across the ocean. In a month's time, some duckies will travel great distances. Others will only creep along. At first, their movements seem chaotic, but underlying the confusion is a very complex system of surface currents.